study in a place where
YouTube na video.
concentrate.
Concentrate? Really?
Never study more than an hour without taking a break. The answer. You must study in break. You must use your time wisely. And just study. Give yourself break so that your brain will be fresh. Yeah, number 3. Use the same place to study. Answer. Study in a place quiet so that you can comfortable in concentrating. Number 4. Avoid distraction like turn off your cell phone, close your room, etc. The answer. So that you can concentrate and your mind was focused in
Mas focus gaka.
much luck. Number 5. Study difficult or boring subject first. The answer. You must study difficult because